We spend our lives trying to stay safe. We want comfort. We want stability. We want to wrap our lives in bubble wrap. But ask anyone who has built real strength, and they will tell you the uncomfortable truth. You don't grow when things are easy. You grow when things break. Tonight, we are talking about antifragility. This is not resilience. Resilience resists the shock and stays the same. Antifragility takes the shock and gets better. Nassim Taleb said, "The wind extinguishes a candle and energizes fire." Do you want to be the candle or the fire? Watch a toddler learn to walk. They fall, they hit the floor, they cry. But inside the body, something miraculous is happening. The bones and muscles are getting the signal. We need to be stronger. A broken bone, when it heals, is often calcified and thicker at the break point. The child is naturally anti-fragile. They don't fear the fall, they use the fall. Every stumble improves their balance. Every scraped knee teaches them physics. The child knows breaking is just part of building. Then comes the emotional breaking. Adolescence is a lightning storm. The first heartbreak, the first public failure, the first betrayal by a friend. The teen feels like the world is ending. But this disorder is necessary. If you protect a teenager from every failure, you create a fragile adult. The teen who gets cut from the team learns how to pivot. The teen who gets their heart broken learns how to survive their own emotions. The storm isn't destroying you, it is deepening you. In your 20s, the heat turns up. This is the forge. You get fired. You go broke. You realize your dream career is a nightmare. Taleb wrote, "Difficulty is what wakes up the genius." It is the layoff that forces you to start the business. It is the loneliness that forces you to find self-worth. The young adult realizes that the safe path was a lie. Safety domesticates you. Struggle sharpens you. In midlife, you become the structure for others. You have been broken enough times that you no longer panic when the glass shatters. When the family is in crisis, you are the calm one. Why? Because you have been here before. The parent who overcame addiction guides the child who is struggling. The person who survived bankruptcy guides the friend who is losing their home. Your wounds have become wisdom. You aren't just tough, You are useful. There is a Japanese art form called Kintsugi. When a bowl breaks, they don't throw it away. They glue it back together with gold lacquer. The bowl is now more beautiful because it was broken. The elder is a human Kintsugi bowl. They are covered in gold lines, the scars of 80 years of living. They don't hide their history, they wear it. They know that a life without scars is a life that was never lived. They are not afraid of death because they have practiced letting go 1,000 times. So look at the crack in your life right now. The thing that is stressing you out. The thing that feels like it is breaking you. Stop asking, why is this happening to me? Start asking, how is this rebuilding me? Don't pray for an easy life. Pray for a strong back. The candle fears the wind. The fire loves it. Be the fire.